Let us look at the story of a brave and wise white tiger. In the heart of a lush, dense forest, where the air was filled with the chirping of birds, there lived a wonderful white tiger known as Shiro. Shiro was no ordinary tiger. He was famous throughout the forest for his beauty, kindness, and striking white gleam. One night, a group of humans intruded into the animal's territory with strange torches and loud noises. They advanced, their intentions unknown but dangerous. The animals of the forest trembled in fear, not knowing how to escape this sudden attack. When Shiro arrived at the place where the humans had set foot, he saw that they were cutting down the trees and endangering the lives of the forest's inhabitants. With a deep roar, Shiro advanced, his majestic form glittering in the moonlight. The men stopped, startled to see the magnificent white tiger before them. Their surprise quickly turned to fear, and they drew their weapons, ready to defend themselves. Yet Shiro did not attack. Instead, he walked up to them calmly, his blue eyes filled with understanding. He spoke not with words but with the silent language of empathy and compassion. Shiro made the humans realize how much they were damaging the delicate balance of nature. He showed them the beauty of the forest, the existence of all living things, and the importance of preservation. Gradually, the humans laid down their weapons, their hearts softened by Shiro's gentle presence. They understood their wrongdoing and promised to leave the forest undisturbed. With gratitude in their hearts, they left, leaving behind only footprints on the soft earth. Everyone in the forest breathed a sigh of relief. The white tiger Shiro had once again protected his home and the creatures that lived in it, reminding everyone of the power of kindness, understanding, and friendship. Everyone who heard the story was inspired to strive for peace and harmony in their own lives.